Hey lovelies, welcome, 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 and if you're new, a warm welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than the usual. I am going to be doing a review on Hugo app. Now, for those who don't know what Hugo app is, it is a food delivery app that launched about a year ago in Jamaica. Disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsored video. Hugo is a food delivery app, as mentioned, that I came across recently and started to use. And I decided that I am going to be giving you all my honest opinion and also show you how to use the app. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Alright guys, so now let's go straight into the Hugo app. Alright guys, so once you enter Hugo app, the first thing that comes up is for you to select the country that you're in. I am in Jamaica. Yes, so these are all the countries that has Hugo. Yes, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries has Hugo. I'm in Jamaica, so I'm going to select Jamaica. Then this is the next page that will comes up. You have the different options that Hugo, the different services that Hugo has. So we have Hugo delivery, food, coffee and bakery. We have Hugo groceries, drinks, convenience, pharmacy, and we also have Hugo shops. These are online stores. So you have lifestyle, beauty and personal care, electronics, Father's Month. So I guess that one was for Father's Day, assuming. But yes, so these are all the options that Hugo has. Now guys, you know I am here for the food. I am here for the food. So I'm going to click food. And guys, even though you're seeing a burger there, it's not only burger that they offers. It's not only fast food that they offers, alright? Yes, so now once you enter the food section or enter the food menu, you are going to be seeing all of this that you're seeing on my screen right now. Yes, so as you can see, we have the different menu options that is categorized. So we have coffee, if you're feeling for some coffee, if you feel for some sushi, some pizza, some chicken, then instead of scrolling through the app here, like what I'm going to be doing shortly, you can go ahead and select what you want. So just for an example, like if I'm feeling for some pizza, you can click on pizza and all the places that offers pizza are going to come up. Alright, so that's just an example. Now guys, another thing that I love about Hugo is that they always have promotions. So just like what you're seeing here, these are all the promotions that Hugo has available. One condo guys that catch me is that some of these coupons that you're seeing, they are for first time users only. Yes, so some of these are only for first time users. But I encountered a situation where the second time I was using the app, I saw a promotion for a restaurant that I was ordering from. I think it was $200 off delivery. I think it was that. I'm not quite sure what exactly the promotion was for. But I click on it, and on checkout I applied the coupon code, and I realized that it was not working. So I was wondering what's going on. However, I reached out to them, and that's when I was told that the coupon that I was using is for first time users only. So what I would appreciate is for them to have, like the one that is for first time users only, for them to have condition apply or something to say or to show that it's for first time users, because it was not stated on the coupon that I tried to use. All right, as you can see guys, we have a new restaurant added. Yes, Yard House restaurant. That's a new restaurants that added to Hugo app. Now guys, if you have a restaurant, I don't know how or the process for you to add it to the Hugo app. So I wish I know the process to share with you, but I don't know how. So you would have to do that research on your own. All right guys. Yes, so these are all the restaurants that are open on Hugo. You have Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Jumbling Juice, Porridge. Yes, so these are all. Let me give you a scroll. These are all the restaurants that were available. Yes. So never mind the purple one, guys. I'm going to talk to you about those. But first, I'm just giving you a scroll to show you all the restaurants that you can buy from, that you can purchase from, for Hugo to deliver it to you. Yes, so you can see guys, we have so many options. There are so many options to purchase from. Yep, there we go, back to the top. Alright, so let's focus on Wendy's. On the right side of Wendy's, you can see 30 minutes. So that 30 minutes would be how long it will take for you to get the order. Just a note, you will give you delivery fee based on how far you are. All right, so let me show you. Yes, right here. So cost of service. So if you're 2.5 meters away, then it's 475 Jamaican dollars. 60 meters away, it's 625 Jamaican dollars. If you're 90 meters away, kilometers away, sorry, it is $755. So delivery fee all depends on the distance. Okay, just a notation there. Yes guys, so yes, going down to the restaurants that are closed. Yes, so let us go on Kingston Jerk. So even though you see Kingston Jerk is closed, what I love about the app is that you can still place the order. You can schedule your order to deliver it to you once it's open. So let's click on Kingston Jerk. Then this one will come up. So schedule your order. So just an example guys, if you want a piece of chicken and you want it to deliver like 12 o'clock this afternoon, then you can proceed. Then you click whenever you want your order to be delivered. All right, so you can set the time that you want it to be delivered and stuff like that. Let me accept. All right, so once you click or select when you want your order to be delivered, then you're going to see this page for Kingston Jerk. Remember guys, this is just an example using Kingston Jerk. So we have, it tells you like what they have available. Kingston Jerk, as you can see, you have chicken, pork. It shows you that it's closed, and it also gives you the time that it will be open. So it will open 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Delivery schedule is show you when you want the delivery to be delivered. Yes, then you have all of these nice, delectable, delicious stuff that you can choose from to be delivered. And guys, again, if you don't want to do all this scrolling, if you feel for some starters, you can click starters. The specials that they have available, you can click it. If you're interested in pastas, you can do pastas. They have sides, soup of the day, daily special. So basically guys, instead of doing all the scroll, then you can go straight to what you're interested in. All right, now let's go back. Now guys, you may be wondering how, before I go to that, you can also filter your orders based on rates, delivery time, distance. And guys, if you don't want the delivery person to deliver the food, you can You can place the order through Hugo and go by the restaurant to pick it up. Alright, so you may be wondering, like, what if something goes wrong on the app? How are you going to reach out to Hugo? Alright guys, so when I said any issues arise on the app, I had a issue where I placed 2 orders at one restaurant. The first one was already assigned to a Hugo agent, that's the delivery guy. The second order was not assigned as yet. He was at the restaurant and I wanted him to collect both orders for me, because it wouldn't make any sense to delivery guy coming to deliver 2 orders from the same restaurant for me. So I reached out to him and he said I would have to reach out to Hugo to let them assign the order to him. So to reach out to Hugo, you would have to go back to the home page. The home page, yes. Then you're going to click on the talking icon, because they only have live chat. All right, so Hugo only have live chat, guys. Then you get your automated message, and you can text them. It's morning, good morning. So I'm just giving you an example, guys. Once our agents see the message, then they'll reach out. So yes, if you have an active order, you can go on that. If you want to see like stuff that you order, then you can definitely check your history to see things you order. And yes guys, these are all the things that I ordered using Hugo. So guys, I'm going to be placing an order and show you guys the process. All right, stay tuned. Yes lovelies, so it's actually a peak period. So the message that you're seeing in that red box is basically saying that order will take up to 90 minutes to be delivered. All right, so I am going to be making a purchase from Mother's because it's been a while since I have a patty. So I'm going to buy a full house patty, and to top it off I'm going to add a cocoa bread. Yep, so that's the cocoa bread. I choose the one that I want. Then now guys, we are going to be processing the order. So they give you 2 options to pay from or pay with. You can pay cash or card. I am going to be using card. Once you select that, then it's going to load up to this page that you're seeing here. You can double check to see if everything is correct. Check the address that you want it to be delivered, and if you have any notes, you can make a notation there. Then you confirm the location where you want it to be delivered. Then you're going to see this comes up. All right. Yes lovely, so once the order is approved, you can start to track your order, and there are 2 ways to track the order. This is the first one. It actually shows you who is responsible to deliver your order, the order number, the stages your order is, the order that you made, and the delivery address and stuff like that. This is also the second way that you can track it. It's a map form, and it actually shows you well, this one is, it shows when the order is on its way. And yes guys, the Hugo guy actually moves, so wherever he is, the map form will show you. So yes guys, if you reach this far, don't forget to like up this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about Hugo app as well. And if you're not yet a part of the family, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a new video, you're gonna be the first one to be notified. Now guys, the order was delivered and I am showing you guys what my order was. Well, you guys saw what the order was, but yeah. Would I recommend Hugo as a food delivery app? Most definitely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more.